Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Diamond Naturals Adult Real Meat Recipe Premium Dry Dog Food with Grain and Real Pasture-Raised Beef Protein 40 pounds. He's a lab, and constantly outside running around with the deer and turkey, so it seems like it does what it's supposed to, as he's already considered a senior based on his age, but you couldn't tell with his energy level. One of our dogs had what appeared to be an allergy of some kind. Switched food over to this brand, and she's been itch and scratching like crazy free for a few weeks. Oh yeah, and our other dog is a princess, and snubs her nose at most foods, but she likes this one. The beef dog food is about the size of a nickel, about the thickness of 2 nickels stacked on top of each other. Their coat is shiny. They always are happy to eat this brand of dog food. When that happened before, the dog was proven right. There were problems with the food. His coat is shiny, the itching is gone, and hasn't had another ear infection. It's now been several months. Has all the ingredients a dog needs, as well as grains that scientists have recently proved is beneficial in a dog's diet. And not having to go to the store and lug around a big bag of dog food is great. This one is the first one that has made a significant difference in every way. Not to be gross, but his poops look very much healthier compared to store brand Purina one. He reached his ideal weight, so it gave green light to choose a healthy alternative. Healthy teeth, healthy coat, and happy dogs. Great for those furry kiddos that have allergy issues. Rarely do they have loose stool, unless they have been fed something they were not allowed to have. The little one nabbing 5 or so pieces, and taking it somewhere else, and the larger dog not moving from the bowl, and chowing down. The little one is a nibbler, and the big one eats once a day when she's really hungry. Ingredients aren't quite as good as Blue Buffalo, but they're the closest compared to other foods. He is about 7, and his coat was getting stiff and wiry, and he was getting itchy spots on his skin, and licking and pulling his hair out. He is spunky, energetic, and his coat is becoming very soft, and the color is even becoming more black than gray. The kibble was a good size for almost any size dog, except for toy breeds, and the stuff is like $33 a bag, and it's such an unbeatable value for true grain-free food. The garbage he has eaten forever would sit in his bowl until the family compared notes, and realized had too many milk bones that day. Didn't see second day, but by third day it was firm, and looked like he had an easier time getting it out. Now they are more excited to get their exercise, and act like a pup again. Research shows that grains are fine for them, so why not? Also big ass bag, for a little bit of money. Thank goodness none of the small dogs have problems with digestion, so they are eating the Victors with relish. Tip: Ups men love home baked goods. The nutritional value is exactly what your 4-legged family members need. Warning: your pup may tackle you with more love than you've known after giving them this food. They love the taste of the food, and gobble it down as soon as they are fed. He shook, and would lay on his side with his tongue hanging out, drooled excessively during his seizure. All in all, though, you can't beat the price, and the pup seems to love it. They really enjoy this food. They eat it right up, and doing well with this formula of Diamond Naturals. Judging by what is left, she might not even need a 40-pound bag more than once every 3 months. Being an owner of 2 larger dogs, both are 70 pounds, it is hard to find a high-quality dog food for an affordable price. It goes on to include several vegetables: kale, spinach, pumpkin, carrots, and fruits: blueberries, oranges, coconut, and other healthy ingredients like quinoa and chia seeds. Compared to other healthy dog foods, this food is so cheap. It's on average $1,015 less than similar foods. Sure, it's more than Purina and Alpo junk food, but it's worth the upgrade if you want to take care of your pets. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.